Now we can study how can we construct a triangle. First method, when length of three sides are given, that is length of three sides will be there. 10.2 first question, construct triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4 cm. That is, here we can draw the rough diagram of this triangle XYZ. XY 4.5 centimeter. Okay, then YZ is equal to YZ, that is from here, is equal to 5 centimeter. Then ZX, here this one will be 6 centimeter. This will be Z. Okay, now we can do with correct measurement. How can we draw this triangle XYZ with this given measurements? This method is very easy. First we can draw a line segment with a 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now we can name this one as X and Y. Next, we have to take the compass distance. Compass distance is the distance from compass point to pencil point. Okay, this we can reduce or this we can increase. The measurement, what is the distance? This is the compass distance. Okay, now we can take 5 centimeter. Okay, now we can keep the compass point on 0 and now this is 5 centimeter. Okay, keep the compass point on Y, then draw an arc. Okay, next the compass point needed to be 6 centimeter. That is, we can 0 then 6. Okay, now this is 6. Then keep the compass point on X. Then draw another arc to cut this first arc, which one we drew here. Then this is the joining point of these two arcs. This point will be Z. Then join X and Z, then Z and Y. X and Z. Okay, then Z and Y. After then we have to write the measurement, the length of each sides. That is 4.5 centimeter. Here it is 5 centimeter and this will be 6 centimeter. Now we wrote the length of each side. Now the triangle XYZ is ready with us. Okay. Second question, construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. That is, what is the specialty for equilateral triangle? All sides are equal in length. Okay, all sides are equal in length. That is the equilateral triangle. Now we can draw the rough diagram of an equilateral triangle. One side is 5.5 centimeters. So all sides will be 5.5 centimeter. Okay. 5.5 centimeter. Now we can name this triangle as A, B, C. Okay. Now we can draw this one by using our instruments. First we can draw AB, okay, with the 5.5 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5. Okay. Clear? Then 5.5 will be all sides are equal now. So we can measure this one, this line itself, because this is already 5.5. And you can take anyway by using the scale, no problem, okay. With the same radius. Okay, with the same radius. Both sides are same radius, okay. Now we got the joining point. We can name this side as AB and we can name this one as C. Okay. Now we can join this AC and BC. Okay. Now our triangle is ready with the side 5.5 centimeter. Now the third question, draw triangle PQR with PQ equal to 4 cm, QR equal to 3.5 cm and PR equal to 4 cm. What type of triangle is this? It may be equilateral triangle or scalene or isosceles triangle. We have to know the specialties for each triangle. Now we can draw the rough diagram of this triangle PQR. Now we can draw the triangle PQR. PQR. PQ is given, that is 4 cm. Then QR equal to 3.5 cm and PR equal to 4 cm. Again 4 cm. Here one specialty is that two sides are equal for this triangle PQR. So, which type of triangle? Isosceles triangle. What is a scalene triangle? If the three sides are different in length, that is scalene triangle. For equilateral triangle, all sides are equal in length. Okay. Now, we can draw the actual diagram of this PQR. First, we can take PQ equal to 4 cm. We can draw a line, segment PQ. Okay. Now, we can measure 3.5 cm. Then, with this 3.5 cm as radius, keep the compass point on Q or Q as center. Draw an arc. Okay. Can you see? Okay. Then take the compass distance 4 cm by using scale and compass. With the 4 cm as radius and P as the center, draw another arc to cut this first arc. Now we got the joining point of these two arcs. Now we can name this one as R. Then join PR and QR. Now we can write the measurement of each side. Construct triangle ABC such that AB equal to 2.5 cm, BC equal to 6 cm and AC is equal to 6.5 cm. Measure AB. That is, we have to draw a triangle ABC. Rough diagram. ABC. AB equal to 2.5 cm. BC is equal to 6 cm and AC equal to 6.5 cm. After then we have to measure the AB. The angle B. Now we can use our instruments, that is scale, pencil, compass and so on. Now first we can draw 2.5 cm line segment. Okay, 2.5 cm. Now we can take the compass distance as 6.5 cm. Then with A as center, with a 6.5 centimeter radius, we can draw one arc. So it's here. Okay. Then, now we can take compass distance as 6 centimeter. Then from B, we can draw another arc to cut our first arc. Okay. Now we can mark the joining point of these two arcs as C. Then join AC and BC. Now this angle looks like a 90-degree angle, that is L shape. Okay. If you have confusion, take the protractor and keep the center, this point, on B. Then measure it from here to there because the line is here. Then 0, 10, 20, 30 and so on. This will be up to 90 degree. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. I think now you got the idea. If you get 3 sides of a triangle, how can we make that a triangle? Okay, thank you.